Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very interesting tiffin recipe. We're going to make these special instant cucumber idlis. Have you ever tried them before? Well, if not, try this recipe. It's a great one. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I'm using 2 medium-sized fresh cucumbers. Trim the ends and there's no need to peel the skin. Just grate them as they are. Transfer the grated cucumber into a bowl, but don't add any of that extra water released from it. Next, take a mixer jar and add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Cut 1 green chilli into 2 to 3 pieces and add it in. Pulse this mixture once or twice without adding any water. We are not looking for a smooth paste, just a slightly coarse texture is perfect. Transfer this coconut chilli mixture into a bowl. Now into the grated cucumber, add the coconut mixture, a small piece of finely chopped ginger and a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of thick curd. To this, I'm adding 1 cup of idli rava. Now this rava is easily available in most supermarkets, and here I'm using 250 ml cup measurement. Mix everything together well. The cucumber already has enough moisture, so there's no need to add any water at this point. This is what makes it such a quick and easy recipe. It requires no grinding, no fermentation, just simple mixing. Once combined, cover the bowl and let the mixture rest for about 10 minutes. During this time, the rava will absorb all the moisture and soften beautifully. After 10 minutes, give the mixture another good mix. If it feels slightly too dry, you can sprinkle in a couple of teaspoons of water, but usually that won't be necessary. Now grease the idli plates with a little oil or ghee. Scoop the batter into each mold. Now since this batter is slightly coarse and not as smooth as regular idli batter, shape it neatly while filling. This slightly crumbled texture is exactly what gives this idli their unique softness. Meanwhile, heat some water in the idli steamer. Once it starts boiling, place the idli plate inside and steam for about 8 minutes. Remember, this is an instant recipe, so it's best made fresh. Avoid preparing the batter in advance or storing it in the refrigerator, as it won't give the same taste and texture. If you like a healthy twist to a traditional recipe, drop a heart and share this recipe with your foodie friend. In just about 20 minutes, you have a unique, healthy and delicious tiffin ready. Prepare when your guests drop in unexpectedly, or you can serve something different without any stress. You can serve these hot cucumber idlis with any chutney of your choice. Today I'm pairing it with some nice fresh tomato chutney, and the combination is absolutely delicious. Whether you're making this for breakfast or for an evening tiffin, these cucumber idlis are light, cooling and perfect for summer. Give it a try and you might just discover your new favorite instant recipe. These cucumber idlis are so soft and spongy, and I'm serving it with some nice fresh tomato chutney here. It's time to taste. These idlis with this tomato chutney combination is just amazing. Such a simple instant tiffin recipe. It's perfect for evening tiffin time. So here is a nice way to enjoy your cucumbers, especially during summers. So do give this recipe a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.